here with WTI. Now, if you have little ones or even just a stairwell, you know the fear that comes with having people stand too close. And so I absolutely love this retractable gate from Veraste. Now, what makes this awesome is that you don't need to have it visible at all times. It pulls right back and it's super inconspicuous. It rolls right up along the wall and you barely notice it's there when it's not in use. Now, when you do want to block off your stairs or a hallway or wherever you're trying to limit access, you just pull it out and attach it to the little hooks, and then you can lock it in place. To unlock it, you have to lift, so it's not something that a toddler could figure out on their own. Mine is in black. They come in different colors. This one extends all the way up to 71 inches. So you can put this in a lot of different places because it's got a nice wide range, so completely adjustable. It's in a great mesh fabric. It looks stylish and modern. It was very easy to install, a few screws and you're good to go. This is great for pet owners as well. Personally, my staircase is right as you enter the door, so I like to have this just for a little extra security and peace of mind when people come in my house. So if you're looking for a baby gate or any kind of gate, I think this is an awesome idea. It looks really great in every space. It's nice and modern. You don't have to have those big white plastic baby gates anymore. You can upgrade to something like this, and that's my point of view.